Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body and provides structure to the skin. As we age, our collagen breaks down and causes lack of fullness and elasticity. While there are facial treatments that inject collagen into the skin, microneedling stimulates your body's natural production of collagen. Microneedling can be used to improve a variety of skin conditions, such as acne scars, fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone and texture, and mild rosacea. Microneedling is performed by using a handheld device to create microscopic injuries in the skin. These micro-injuries force the cells to regenerate and repair themselves, and also stimulates collagen production. A series of 3 to 4 sessions are recommended to achieve the best results. While patients will start to notice improvements in their skin after just 1 week, the best results are visible about 2 months after your last session. We also offer PRP and Core Recovery Complex as add-ons to enhance the outcome of microneedling. At Carolina Center for Cosmetic Surgery, we are dedicated to finding an optimal solution to all of our patients' needs, and we strive to help you select the cosmetic treatment option that is right for you.